Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sandi Kosasi with our college Felianto, Idewa Ayu Eka Yuliani, and Roberto Selaipaka. Our research is about the antecedent of students' academic achievement prediction. The ownership of an increasingly large number of digital data reflects the needs of big data technologies and provides higher education institution opportunities. The existing composition of a huge amount of distributed data has important preferences in learning prediction, progress, decline, or failure of achieving academic achievement. However, its implementation often faces obstacles that invalidate information and have a negative impact on the decision-making to predict students' academic achievement. There is still uncommon research that explicitly examine the impact of big data antecedent influences to predict the academic achievement of students. In general, previous research more conceptually and systematically discussing the need to predict students' academic achievement for higher education institutions is absent. Also, recently discussion on influences and relationship of antecedent factors of big data for prediction has been really found. The research problem formulated was on the assumption that the ability to predict students' academic achievement was influenced by learning analytic and academic analytic through big data for higher education institutions. The research aim was to determine the extent to which the influence and relationship among learning analytic, academic analytic, and big data factors as a whole have the ability to predict students' academic achievement for higher education institutions. The research method was initially formulated by defining the background, literature review, problem research design, and hypothesis. It further continued with the collection and analysis of data, research result, and conclusion. Primary data was obtained through online survey and only 203 respondents returning the answer. Secondary data was obtained by each student's GPA in academic years 2017-2018 and 2018-2019 and odd semester 2019-2020. Data were mainly processed using Likert scales with interval ranging from strongly agree to strongly disagree. Based on our path diagram of research model, we can see that the outcome of the significant test of the path coefficient shows that the only several original sample values were positive. A negative value were found that the influences of academic analytic on student academic achievement prediction has a negative value with 0.002, and also we can see the p-value based on our significant test. They have an insignificant value for the influences academic analytic on students' academic achievement prediction and learning analytic on big data. So the result and discussion, academic analytic had no positive relationship and insignificant influences on the students' academic achievement prediction. Besides that, learning analytic had positive relationship but insignificant influences on big data. Furthermore, calculation of R-square adjusted shows that the construct of students' academic achievement prediction has a value of 0.777 or 77.7%. That means to predict students' academic achievement is strongly influenced by learning analytic, academic analytic, and big data. The research novelty from our research, which is the interrelationship among construct of the research path diagram, is fundamentally contributing the GPA again at higher education institution, building retention and reducing the risk of failure of its students. Also, predicting the academic achievement of students who are always score from the cumulative GPA needs to be revised and refining the learning method. The conclusion, learning analytic positively and directly influences academic analytic and students' academic achievement prediction, not big data. Academic analytic, conversely, has negative influences. Thus, it is irrelevant to the needs of students' academic achievement prediction, especially for higher education institutions in Pontianak. Future research can more specifically classify the dimension of lecture, students, and academic and involve all higher education institutions in West Kalimantan and other provinces due to the fact that only several institutions have been able to implement and empower the rule of the two oversized antecedent factors. So this is all my presentation. Thank you. Good afternoon.